What are the mandatory fixes after a home inspection? The quick answer is none. There are no compulsory repairs after a home inspection from a legal viewpoint. But sellers who disregard the home inspection findings or refuse to pay for requested repairs should not expect the sale to move along smoothly. Property sellers are not legally required to make repairs or really to even address them, but the buyer's loan provider may need them to manage some of the issues to provide with the financing. These issues normally consist of major health, security, and structural concerns. Beyond those fixes, buyers and sellers can negotiate the terms of repairs or any other adjustments. What issues most likely need to be taken care of by the seller? Homebuyers will often have a list of musts and wants for the repairs, suggesting that if the seller declines to make the repairs under musts, they will not continue with the sale and will terminate the agreement. These repairs can include but are not limited to electrical, fire, and other safety hazards, including cracks that suggest structure concerns, damaged or defective pipes, electrical or HVAC systems, mold or water damage, regional building codes violations, old roofing that needs immediate replacement or within the next 3 years, chemical contamination, for example, caused by asbestos or lead-based paints, pest or insect infestations. All repair work expenses and who should shoulder the costs are negotiable throughout the contract process. Buyers must think about the pros and cons before deciding which repairs to request, if there are any. Sellers also will have to consider their options and figure out which fixes or adjustments will be worth it on their end. As mentioned, sellers are normally expected to spend for issues involving major damage or security concerns. But take note that there are always exceptions. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, it is advisable to go over potential repairs and the existing market conditions with your real estate agent to have a rational expectation regarding the repairs and requests.